Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a custom header for your Shopify store. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your computer browser and head on to the Shopify website, that is www.shopify.com, and log in into your account, or you can create an account by clicking on sign up now. So I already have an account, so I'm just gonna click on login right here, and it will lead me to my stores. Now go to the store that you want to create a header with. So for now, you can create a header using some applications. If you want to create a header using codes, you can do that, but it is very hard for me to do, and I think some people find it very hard as well. So the simplest way is to have an application for you to use so that you can create your custom header. So without further ado, let's get started. Now let's go to add apps right here, and I'm just gonna locate the Shopify App Store right here, and it will lead me to the Shopify App Store. And now under search apps right here, just search on Gem Pages. So as you can see, this is Gem Pages Landing Page Builder. So just click on that and click on Add App. So I'm just gonna let you see what Gem Pages offer. So I'm just gonna click on View Gem Store right here. So this is a preview of what you can have. So you can actually edit this one. If you continue there, they have a lot of templates you can use. So let's head on to it. I'm just gonna go back to the Shopify App Store right here, and I'm gonna click on Add App. And once you click on Add App, you need to authorize Shopify for you to use this application. So it needs to have, you need to grant access. So click on Install App right here, and there you have it. So once you click on Install App, it will automatically redirect you to the Gem Pages application. So once you have done that, we can now start creating your template or your landing page or your header. So what I want to do right now is to search for pages and templates right here. So if we are selling something like a coffee related product, so I'm just gonna search for coffee templates right here. And as you can see, there are no options. So let's just look for another options right here for us to use. So I'm just gonna go to dashboard right here, and as you can see, these are the latest templates. So for now, I'm just gonna start with this right here and just click on explore templates right here, and as you can see, there are a lot of templates you can use. So some are free, some requires you to pay for the plan that Gem Pages offer, and some requires a one-time payment. So make sure to look into that, and if you want the free, you can actually choose a lot of templates that are free. So for now, I'm just gonna use this template. I'm gonna add page right there, and as you can see, I can already start editing my template that I have chosen. So as you can see, these are the basics right here. So once you click on this one right here, it will have a setting that you can actually change the image. You can make the image lighter, or you can change the quality of the image, or you can also change the resolution of the image. And you can also adjust the dimension, the height, or you can link this one. If someone will click on this, it will redirect you to the link that you want to provide. And I think that's it for that. And if you want to create a design or to customize the design, just click on design right here. So you can actually click on visibility, so you can show on desktop, you can show on laptop, or you can show on tablet or on mobile. And the spacing, you can actually adjust the pixels of the spacing, the margin, the padding, and just look into that. And now the background, you can actually create your own background, and you can have a transparent background if you want. You can also customize the color and image of the background that you want. And next is border. You can select a border by clicking on Setup Global Style right here, So that's it. And next you can change the border color, and you can adjust the border thickness or anything that you want, and you can click on more settings right here, so you can adjust the width and the height of the border. It's up to you. And now the corner, you can actually adjust the radius of the corners right here on this image, and you can click on all together so that they will be adjusted all together. And next is the shadow option right here, so you can have an option whether to add a drop shadow or you can add an outer shadow right there. So as you can see right here, you can see the difference. And now you can change the shadow color by just clicking on this right here, and you can adjust the the color of the shadow that you want. And now is the opacity, so you can adjust the opacity of the image, so like that, as you can see right here. And next, the position, so you can make a static position, or you can have it to sticky to the screen, or make the screen fixed, or you can add it relativity. So just like that, you can add an index to it. So for now, I'm just gonna stick to static. And now the animations and the flow actions, so these are still on beta mode. So just click on that one right here, and you can choose any animations that you want to have for this image. Same goes for flow actions. You can click a flow action that you want for this image. So next, if we are done, you can actually head on to another section right here. So just click on this section, and you can add a variant right here, a form ID if you will, or an extra class. You can also go for design, and it is the same thing as you have done when editing this image right here. So it's very simple as that. So it's up to you, and it's all about preference. You can adjust the visibility, the spacing, the background, some borders, some corners, some shadows, some opacity, some position, and some animations and flow actions. So right here you can also click on the countdown timer if you want to do that. So right here you can reset the countdown right here. You can choose the type of countdown that you want. You can have standard, you can have daily, or some evergreen right here. And of course you can change the text of the countdown that you want. You can have a change the color like that. As you can see, it changes once I drag on any color right here. So I'm just gonna pick yellow right here, or some fleshly color right here. And the font, you can actually open font manager. There are a lot of fonts you can actually use. So I'm just gonna click on this and save, and there you have it. I'm just gonna click on the Alpha Slab 1 font, and as you can see, it changes right there. And the text label, you can actually look into that, and you can change the color as well, and the font, and the spacing, and the labels of the week. You can actually delete the days if you feel like it, and you can actually add a week right here. And the alignment, you can actually do that right here. As you can see, the alignment has changed. You can put it on the left, you can put it on the center, and you can put it on the right. So I'm just gonna click on put it on the center right here, and after the time expires, your page will be redirected, so you can actually put your Shopify link right here if you want to do that. And that's about it. And next is the color right here, or the desktop layout. So if you want to change this layout, you have a lot of templates you can use. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. So as you can see, the layout changes, and you can also add a product of your Shopify right here, just like that. And now click on your product once you have done that. So for now, I don't have a product, so that's why I can't add a product right here. But if you do, just click on add products to Shopify right here, and now under the product section, you can now click on the product and click on add your products. So next is right here. This is the review section, so you can actually change the layout, of course, like that. And of course, the bestsellers, you can also change the layout right here, and you can also change the design right here of the text, or you can add some borders to it like that. So it's very self-explanatory, and it's very repetitive. So once you get the hang of it, you can now actually design easily because it's very repetitive. You know, the visibility, the spacing, the background, the border, the corner, the shadows, the opacity, the position, and some animations right here. You can actually do this for everything or for all of the text or the pictures right here. So as you can see, once you have done that and once you're satisfied on what you have done so far, just click on publish right here, and you can name your template and your URL and handle, and you can add a description, and you can click on publish right here, and as you can see, it will automatically publish into your store. As you can see, it is publishing, and just wait for it to publish, and once it is done, it will automatically be published in your store. So as you can see right here, I'm just going to view live page right here, and there you have it. So you don't need codes to do this. You just need a application that is Gem Pages, and as you can see right here, everything I have edited has now been present. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you do like this. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!